Hello everyone, this is Vishakha Giri. Welcome to day 3 of my content creation journey. I just want to speak directly to each and every beginner who is still waiting for the right time to arrive and still stuck in fear, hesitation. Let me tell you one thing that no matter what, let's whether it's the first day or the last day of the year, there will still excuses. There will always be fear, self-doubt. The truth is, the growth will come. The moment when you will choose your courage over the fear, hesitation, self-doubt. So your journey don't needs to be perfect. It just need to be start. So please, I need to remind every beginner able to, who is still not able to figure out the things and waiting for the right time. Please start your journey. And one thing more that today is the last day of this year, and I want to remind you one thing. Last day is also the humanity day of this year, not of this year, for the upcoming years also. I want to remind, while many of us will be celebrating this last day of this year, but there will be more than thousands of workers, food workers. They are still fighting for their rights, and their families are affected for this, and and their voices need to be heard. So let's boycott today. Just for the today, let's boycott all these food apps and all the food items. Let's pause just for today, and let us remind that humanity is more important than our convenience. So the last reminder for this last day of this year, let's do better, let's be better. Humanity should be the first religion of us. So all the very best to each and every person, and hope for all the positivity. Bye, take care, and happy new year to everyone.